friends, welcome back to my channel Cooking Chronicles. I'm Divya. So today we'll be making anda paratha and the ingredients are red chili powder half teaspoon, salt as per your taste or 1 teaspoon, whole wheat flour 1 cup, 1 egg large, 1 tablespoon chopped onion and 3 tablespoon ghee. I've already kneaded the dough from the whole wheat flour, so I'll be using this. Let's make our egg mixture first. So, I'll be using 1 egg. So if you guys want, you can use 2 eggs also. But if you are using 2 eggs, try to take 2 small eggs because you have to fill this in 1 paratha. Let's add salt, red chili powder, chopped onions. So guys, one thing we have to take care that we don't have to whisk this egg much, because if we'll whisk it more, it will get thinner and it will be very runny and it will be very difficult to add it into your paratha. So we'll be filling inside the paratha. So just a little bit so that the yolk get mixed up with the white. That's it. So this is ready. Now let's prepare our paratha. So this is the kneaded dough. So this. So we'll be using desi ghee in it. We won't be using any oil because desi ghee really helps paratha to get fluffy. So add desi ghee and spread it properly. Make note that add the desi ghee generously. Now we'll be making triangle out of it. So let's fold it. Now we'll be adding some more desi ghee here. This half portion and like this. So this is our triangle. Now just roll it. Let's put our paratha on the tawa. At the moment it's on high flame. Like after 30 seconds we'll just put the flame on medium. Let's flip it. So as you can see, our paratha, the layer of our paratha is opening up. So this is what we want. From here we'll add our egg batter in it. So just gently press it from sides. It's on the low flame, so let it cook slowly. So guys, this was the reason I asked you to add ghee generously, so that the paratha, with the help of ghee, the paratha, the layers opens easily. So let's open it. So now we'll be adding it. So we'll be adding egg slowly so that the egg which we are filling gets cooked up easily, because if we'll put whole egg in it at one time, it will just it will come out. Again, let's open it. Yes, like this. So our egg is filled up. Now we can just, yes, so that our egg can go to the other side. Yes. Now we can just press it. See, the egg is spread on all sides. Now let it cook for at least 5 minutes on low flame, so that the egg inside get cooked. So the indication that our egg is cooked from inside is it starts getting white from here. You can see it, like, see the parts which are getting white. Now let's just, you can see there's a very crispy layer on it. Let's add some ghee. You can see the paratha is so fluffy now, because the egg inside is almost cooked and it grows. Let's flip it again. Guys, I hope you can see it. The egg and the paratha is so fluffy. Now let's plate it. So this is our paratha. So let's cut it and I will show you how it's cooked from inside. You can see the egg is cooked from inside. So now let's plate it. Guys, I hope you like the paratha. Do try it and leave your comments on the comment section. And if you are liking my channel and my recipes, please do subscribe and ring the bell button. Thank you so much. See you next time. Enjoy and take care.